Going on, everybody? Pro Trader Mike, founder of the Mojo. Got the Mojo Show going on today. Got some cool things we're going to be talking about today. One is this Jan 1, my swing pick. Out of nowhere, just bamming, crazy, great move. We're going to talk about the TFS platform and the deal for the Black Friday deal and my hotkeys. I'm just making notes. And hotkeys, some good things, and obviously a recap in the Mojo room of what goes on and how we made money today. And let me shoot on over there and we'll show you what goes on. Say hello to the team. Here we go, guys. Some great action this morning right here for the Mojo. People made money in 1 hour, $1,000. Goals accomplished. A lot of people have already left for the day. I'm going to scroll back up and show you what's happening here in the Mojo room. And we'll say hello to the guys. Hey guys, I'm live on the YouTube right now and the rest of my streaming. I'm just showing everybody what we did here this morning, how we nailed the stock Jan 1, which was a pick. Well, it popped up out of nowhere this morning and turned out to be a really nice surprise. It just kept on going and going. So I start up here this morning and it's about right here, guys. That's ADMP. This is SRNE. So we traded this at the open. SRNE. It already traded 2.3 million shares. It's at 283 was the high. 207 long entry right here. And it looks really nice at $2.07. If we shoot over to the main screen right now, you've got SRNE as the third biggest winner of the day right here on the NASDAQ at $2.86. It did make a 3-cent high above that right here. You can see on my chart, I am on this level 2, guys, in the middle. And it's going to shoot over to this chart. And I'm going down this column right here on the TFS platform. So the stock's 273. It's made a beautiful move up all day long to the top right here. When we got in this morning at 8:30, when it was already trading 2.3 million shares. Now it's at 36 million shares. And that's an amazing, amazing winner, guys. I got a lot of winners like that. The Jan 1, which I'm going to show you now in the Mojo room, is a tremendous winner. So this was SRNE at 8:30. And then news on Teva was coming out. News was good. And then here's the Jan 1. Jan 1 names America This Week host and financial commentator Eric Boland as president and chairman. Right here, the newly launched initiative with focused intent offering actionable solutions to opioid crisis, big opioid crisis in the United States, is proud to host America This Week in financial commentary right there. And that's the news that was on Jan 1. Big news for the president, with the opioid crisis. Here's a thing on him right here with the president of the United States. Right here, as one personally affected by the opioid, Boland has dedicated himself to fighting the epidemic with Jan 1 to end the opioid crisis, among other things, developing a revolutionary paint to replace today's highly addictive, often fatal opioids. Jan 1. This is like, huge. Jan 1. And I had that pick right here about a month ago. Here's the pick on 10/25 of 2015 in the Mojo Swing Trade newsletter. Now, you have a lot of good attributes about this. The first one I really loved was this 1.9 million shares right here in the float on that. So you have right here this 1.9 million in the float, 5% owned by mutual funds. It traded 20 million shares. It went from like 3 to 9. Then it went from like 3 to 9. So it can go from 3 to 9. I knew that. And this morning, it was right around 4, hadn't headed through 5 yet. and let's head over to the Mojo room and we'll show you exactly how this pick happened. So right here at 372 by 80 at 8:36 in the morning, boom, we're gonna Heinz it. And people don't know what Heinz is. It's not the stock. Heinz is a patented trade play. And right now the stock is the second largest winner at $5.11. If you want to take a look at what the Heinz is, I'm going to explain it one more time. I explain it a lot on the Mojo Show. I'm going to explain it again right here. So you have the Heinz. Do you know the Heinz trade play? It's a trade play. Mojo pro traders do. You learn how it works every time at mojodaytrading.com and follow me on Twitter. What it is, it's within the perfect trading system. It's a system that I have, and it's called the Heinz trade play. Question: why is it called the Heinz, and what is it? This trade play works with great consistency. Once the price of any stock approaches the whole number and reaches 90 cents, just underneath, momentum and positive expectancy take over and the stock goes through the whole number. Tip: there'll be a large number of shares on the ask price right on the whole number. That is very bullish and it will go higher. Why is it called the Heinz? Why? Thank you. Just like a new bottle of ketchup, when you open it, it moves slow in anticipation of it coming over the rim. You have to tap the bottle once or twice to get it moving. Once it crosses over the rim, watch out, the ketchup pours. This is how the stock acts just under the whole number. It moves very slow, so you tap it once and do an entry buy at 90. Then you do it again at 97 plus, and it will go higher through, aka the Heinz. Very easy to understand, and it's an extremely consistent trade play that you're able to say F you to the man and say, I'm quitting my job. This is my career because I've never really lost on this thing, and I can come in and make some good trades off this system with that thing every day. Because there's any stocks going through whole numbers, I can hit them all day long, and we'll nail that stuff. So let's scroll back up right here real quick because it's not a lot to scroll up with. And we'll check out how the stock performed after my show when I hung up this morning. To answer this text. Will be a beauty. See, I'm telling my buddy about this swing pick. I go right here. I got this Christmas little special pick. Special little pick. It's at $1. I think by this time next year, it'll be $10 per share. They make things for Disney. It's at $1. I go, the strategy is to buy 5 times. Right here. Right here at $1, more at $1.25 and $1.50, and then again at $2 and again at $2.50. You'll make bank as it continues to rise on great quarterly earnings. He goes, great. I just bought 5,000 at $1. Looking all my boys up, my buddies. Nobody gets by without Mojo hooking you up with the pick, man. I'm telling you, nobody gets by without hooking you up with the pick. So we got right here the sweetest pick of the morning, and that's Jan 1 right here. So Jan 1 went just like I showed you. We traded it from 380 right through 4. It's up on a little volume, but it's going to be up on a lot of volume, Mr. Pootie Tang. There it goes, 411 by 18. Gonna get some coffee. Yep. And there it goes, 425 at 839, 440 at 839.42. Nice money maker. Beautiful trade. 455. Here it goes. It's flying. Jan's a great pick. Big winner. Picked at 380. It's now 480. A 1-point winner right there in the Mojo room. Nobody's ever satisfied. And there it goes. So we'll take it through 5. Then we'll take it through 6 right there, approaching 6. Absolutely. That's Heinz 6 right there. And then it goes 602 by 18. Now it's 618. There is nobody better than the Mojo Day Trading Room when it comes to picks. There it goes, 619. And everything's done with the screen share for the members that they can get access to the screen share. And there it goes, 630, guys, straight up, not one red bar ever since the pick happened. An amazing runner, beautiful into rail grind. 667. Jan hasn't stopped since the 380 pick 30 minutes ago. Look back, it's now 660. It's made an 80% run in the Mojo room. And there it is at 665, and there it goes through 7, as it was called out in the Mojo room, and beautiful move. There's $7 right there at 924, and there's your through 7 right there. Beautiful trade, right to the high of $7.28 on Jan, Jan, swing pick. Turns into a day trade pick, winning on both sides of the spectrum, day trading and swing trading. That's what we do. Daily profits and overnight profits, folks. That's what you see. You don't see my screen? Well, you should be not seeing it right now because I think it's turned off because I'm doing the Mojo Day Trading Show. And then once I am live and we are trading, you will see my screen. But pretty much we're done for the day, and I'm just recapping what we got going on here. New pro trader Neds, so you understand the happenings of the Mojo room since it's your first day. Follow? And we chat here in the day trading channel, not in private message or anything else. Everything is done right here in the day trading channel. That's what we do. That's what we do. Had a great day today trading on this platform, the TFS platform. Go to mojodaytrading.com, guys. Check out the special. You'll become a member. You'll be able to take my courses for free from becoming a member, and I'll get you hooked up with this trading platform. There's a couple of levels right now that you could start out at, and everybody that is trading, that is a trader, you should be keeping your money in the bank and trading with other people's money. It's a very nice thing to do. So you come over to Mojo Day Trade and you come to trading firms, and you have right here this intro professional program of 2019 is the perfect program for the beginning trader. You apply for a $14,000 funded trading account. You get a maximum loss of $700, and you can receive 70% of your net monthly profits that you generate. And you also gain access to the Mojo Day Trading chat room and the Mojo University Day Trading courses for $335, or the student professional program, perfect for the intermediate trader. You apply, you get an $80,000 funding account with $4,000 of max loss and a 75% profit. You can get that one right here, and more about TEFS, which is the private investment firm that cherry pick models the best traders around the world that have enhanced financial resources from them because they've got the trading skills and knowledge and education from winning from companies and chat rooms like myself on the Mojo side, because we're solid educators with very, very successful traders that are in the Mojo Day Trade Room, killing it on a daily basis. What else I got right here? I think I got something. I wanted to see something. Let me see if I have this cool little thing I found. Going black for a second because I'm looking for something, guys. This one right here. I was looking for this last night. I was like, where is it? Here it is. We're the Mojo Killers, man. We want you. See that, dudes? Wasn't that cool? Look at that. We want you, man. Ask the cat. I told him I'd show him the cat. Here's the cat.
So you're saying I can ask this cat any question?
The cat is connected to the computer. You just type in the question. It will read his mind. Here the answer comes.
You're the man! I've been looking for this for weeks.
Awesome. So we got a question in the Mojo room. Are you live, Neds? Do you hear me so I can answer your question and properly explain to you and the rest of the people that may be watching how the Mojo room operates and works since it's your first day? Awesome. How it works is this. Listen. I come on in the morning, like I do, and I just showed on the Mojo show, and usually I'm live on YouTube, but that's usually like 30 seconds delayed. All the picks get put out in this channel that you're looking at right now called the Day Trading Channel. And when I usually put out the first image, the screenshot, I'm on the mic talking. I say, I like this stock here, like I did on Jan at 380, and I said Heinz. And I put out the screenshot for the traders that were here at that time to trade it through Heinz 4. And then the second and third screenshots after that are usually indications that the stock is higher. 90% of the time, those screenshots are. And that's your indication to start selling half the position. Then raising the trail stop higher as the stock goes higher, maximizing your returns, never selling the second half lower than the first half. And that's usually how we get involved and start doing the trading. There is a live screen share at the time, and if you look above right here in the stock trading channel, you'll see a screen share channel that you didn't see before because you were not a member. But as a member, you get to see this screen share channel, and in that channel is a video and also instructions on how to access the screen share with a code that you join and the link, and it's in a video instruction right here so nobody can get that wrong. And then you go back to the day trading channel and you do all your typing in here. So if you like a pick or you have a question, the thing goes right in there. And then usually what I do is I turn the screen share off when we're done for the day, which we were done this morning. We're not really doing any trading right now because we're in Mojo wave theory. Mojo, you have to learn that in Mojo University. Once you do, you'll understand how the day slows down after the open, and most traders are usually done hitting their daily goals for the day, and then they leave. So the screen share is not optionable at that point, or is my microphone. I'm usually done for the day. I could come back on after lunch and do an afternoon session if I'm bored or not busy, but that's usually how the day trading room works. People come in, they make several great trades, they make their daily goal, they don't overtrade, and then they watch or they're done for the day. That's exactly how the room works, and we do it every day, 20 days a month, 240 days a year. Very simple, and we keep it that way. Do you follow 100%, or do you have any questions? Great. Couldn't have explained it better. I'm not required to be on any screen share or required to be on the microphone. I'm only required to give you the most amazing picks, and that's what I continue to do. Winner after winner of amazing picks. That's what I do. I also show you some really cool videos. Let's see what JB is doing for today. He's showing the fastest wakeboarder ever. My hooky, hooky, hooky shoe. Another ad. Come on, JB.
What's up, y'all? We're out here at the beautiful Texas Ski Ranch. Today we're having the first ever Texas Ski Ranch High Speed Challenge. We got ourselves a radar gun right here, sponsored by Fallon. Follow her on Instagram right here. We have our group of contestants right here. The slowest person on foot has to go first, and the fastest person on foot gets to go last.
Nice.
So whichever one of y'all wants to run first can. Actually, I'll just run first. Do have system boots on, so sorry for my slow run. First up, we got Jack. All right, send it.
$23.
All right. Favors up. Send it. 20. 22. Yeah.
Oh, he's fast.
25. I think is our official radar sponsor and radar gun holder for the competition. Graham coming around on his first pass. Oh, with a whopping 38 miles per hour. We got
for speed of the day.
I just got 44. I'm the current leader.
Nice. Nice, JB.
Whoa. He's booking it. Currently in third place. Third place.
That's a cool video.
Coming around the corner right now. Says he has 45 in him, does he? Oh, that one didn't seem as fast.
Nice.
41.
You want to see another cool video? Check out this video, guys. Check out this. It's a robot that's going to replace all the guys in the field. Watch this robot. You see the video now? Pro Trader Neds, the YouTube. I'm on YouTube. You see that? Click that. You'll watch. Do you understand? Good game, boys. That was pretty damn cool, them videos, man. That's my cool video segment I got for the Mojo Show. You gotta love that. Subscribe to my channels, guys, if you like my videos. When I go live, you'll get great stocks, great videos, great entertainment, money-making opportunities. I got a couple on the main screen that are on my gainers list right here on the gainers list that are Mojo picks. Oh, they disappeared, but oh, there it is. FPRX went through 4. See this one, FPRX? Taking the stress out must be 100% accurate. On what? I don't understand what that means, but sounds good to me, Mr. Neds. Sounds good to me, man. Well, here's my FPRX pick. SRNE new high. Wow, it's doing amazing. 296, guys, hitting $3. Look at that. Rent-a-Ree's been in that thing all day. Right here. So here's the pick, guys. Right here. You got the 5 Prime Therapeutics at $350. It's got a couple of insider buys right there. It's got a volume bar right there on 1.5 million versus 400,000 with a nice size company and a lot of shares owned by mutual funds. So in my Sunday research, I like that insider buys right there. It's moving up nicely. Definitely take a look at that. It's called FPRX, 5 Prime Therapeutics. And it was at 392. It already went through 4. SRNE, new high of the day. He's been trading that one all day long, Mr. Renteria. Great pick. I have a #1 pick for the holidays, folks. It's an amazing company.
Well, yes.
Amazing. They're involved with Disney. It's trading at $1 a share. My boys and my buddies, I'm telling about it. They're all putting it away. And by this time next year, it could be $5 or $10. SRNE's Heinz and guys, great job. There it goes. SRNE. Here it is. Look, $3. $3. Showed you the pick this morning at $2.12 on SRNE. That's where I printed it this morning. There it goes. Just Heinz 3. Awesome job. Nicely done. So I have a #1 pick for the holidays, and I'm not giving it out. If you guys want that, you're going to join the Mojo Swing Trade newsletter and become a member, and you're going to get that special pick. And that one pick alone can create wealth for everybody that's involved in that pick. Go to Swing Trading right here. Tells you all about the newsletter. Scroll down, go to the archive. There's 7 years worth of picks. Every pick I've ever put out in the newsletter ever is on that archive. And you can scroll back to when I picked AMD and Facebook. The first picks ever in the newsletter. I scrolled back, and you can go along the bottom right here, guys, and just check out all those trades in the archive. And I got some great videos down there too. And right on the home page, right, you can't go wrong. You're going to get that course for free. If you sign up for the swing trading, you're going to get my day trading course for free. If you sign up for the day trading, you're going to become a member right here of the chat room. You're going to become a member right there. You just click right there for day trading, become a member. Here, swing trading, and here, combo. But right now, I have a special for the holidays for 30% off. So if you go to mojodaytrading.com / and visit this special page, which is up right now for the time being, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see the chat room for 30% off, which is $99 a month and not $149. And for a limited time only, you will get this course for free, the $14.97. It's an amazing deal, guys. If you don't want to do that, at least subscribe to my channel down there on the right, guys. That's always good. You like that Numa shotgun, man? Oh, this was the robot. I want to save this. This is the robot. Like that. I like that one too. With Mojo Killers. Telling you guys, I got some amazing videos, man. I got some amazing videos. Digging it, man. Digging it. The new action. 304 now on SRNE. You guys digging that SRNE, huh? How you digging that SRNE? Digging it, digging it, digging it. Pro trader Ned's all spoiled the first day. Sees Jan go from 3 to 7 and SRNE from 2 to 3. Oh yeah, and we traded UVXY a couple of times back and forth between the low and the high, and also NXTC went to 41.73. That also made a beautiful move. Transferring some Kashish over today, getting ready with the account to do some trading action in the mobility. Got a big old gonzo at 15 on UV down there. 1.1 million gonzo on UV. Look at that. You guys see that? He disappeared. 1.1 million on the bid. Yep. Watch tomorrow. It'll be up 10%. And the people that are getting that here at 15 and 1501 will be up 100 grand on $1 million. Tomorrow. Look at this stock made a jump. Full House Resorts. See this one? FLL, Full House, guys. Check out that one. It's got some volume too. 853. It's going to go to the high again, probably to $4. Set up no buy zone right now. Ned, you need to register for Mojo University. Did you do that? The Nedster? I don't think I saw your enrollment, bro. You did? Look, see where you're at. Take a look. Where are you? Oh, there you are. The Nedster 3 days ago, dude. Dude, you didn't even watch none of it, man. Yeah, you were up 6. You did 6% of it. 6%. See, I got you going, bro. I know what you did. See? I got you going. That's your progress. I know what you got going on. You did only 6%, but you're getting through what you got. See, I know the progress of each student. They're in the course. He's done 6%. As you go through the course, you complete each level. You make a note underneath the video on what you think of the lesson. And there you go. Until I teach my new live course, guys. And I had my brother-in-law got me working. All right, well, that sucks. Well, when you get the free time tonight, man, go watch some tonight. Absolutely. Let me show you one of my new learning boards that totally ties in to the new system right here. Check it out. So look, how much, you're always asking, how much Mojo should I put in per trade? Well, if the price of the stock is $5, you should do 100 shares and $500 worth with $14,000 capital account. That's the intro program. If you've got 80 grand in capital, you do $2,500 into that trade and you could buy 500 shares. That's it. 500 shares. Follow me here. You're like, dude, I ain't gonna make no money. I'm gonna do that, man. I ain't gonna make no money on that. Can't do that because I ain't gonna make no money. We're doing, come on, Mosh. Come on, Mosh. They're like, dude, don't worry. Watch. You're not getting my gist. This is step one. Step one right here. Watch. Step one. Step one. Okay, watch. Step. Price of the stock is $10. You can put $1,000 of the $14,000 into that trade and get 100 shares. Same thing if it's a $30 stock, 100 shares, 100 shares. If it's a $100 stock, guys, you're actually going to use $5,000 of that capital and get 50 shares. And a $200 stock, you're going to use $5 grand worth of that capital and get 50 shares. On the 80 grand account, you're going to get 100 shares, 200 shares here, 400. Of a $50 stock, you can use 20 grand, guys. On a $30 stock, use 15 grand and get 500 shares. You see? That's how much you need per trade. You understand? Makes sense, right? I don't think I took a picture of my new learning board. Let me see how many people I got watching. Oh, dude, I got like 2. As long as I got 2 people watching, that's not a problem. Show you that's my main thing. So I got that new board, part of my new class. Yeah, what are you jumping at, man? What are you jumping for? Privileged info, man. Privileged information. Privileged info. Privileged info. So my next thing I always get is, now that I showed you that, let's put the horse with that cart, shall we? Should I put that horse with the cart, guys? Should I put that horse with the cart? Sure. Okay. Now that you know that, this is what you need to know. On an $80,000 account, if you're down under $80,000, your max loss per trade gets smaller and you can't do as many shares, so you're going to lose $100 per trade. You're going to be able to lose $300 for the day. Your maximum trade size is only $3,000. You need to trade smart until you break even. Once you're back to even, you can risk $150 per trade. Your max loss for the day, and then you're done for that day, is $500. And the max you're going to put into any trade is $5,000 range. If you're up $1,000 in your account, you can risk, it's like a poker tournament. The bigger I get, the better I'm getting to the more commanding I can get, the bigger risk I can take, the better reward I can get, and it flows through. Same thing with the trading. When I'm up $1,000, I'll risk $200 in the trade. I'm still done at $500 for the day, and I'm going to go bigger trade size up to $10,000. When I'm up $2,000 in my account, I'm going to go 250 loss per trade and 750 for the day. When I'm at 5 G's of profit in my account, I'll risk 300 per trade, 750 still for the day because nothing's really changed, and I'll put 20 grand max into a trade. When I'm up $10,000, I'll risk 350 in a trade. I'll risk $1,000 for the day, and I'll be putting 25 grand in, because whatever I did here, and here in level 1, 2, 3, and 4 is going to continue all the levels up as I upgrade the account and go right here from an 80 grand account to a 160 grand account, and I have a new board for that. And then I go from a 160 grand account to a 240 grand account, and I got a board for that. And then when you go from 240 grand to 400 grand, I got a board for that. How do you like that? How do you like that, guys? How do you like that? Amazing, right? That's just some of my teachings that I have coming up for the new class of Mojo U. Just want to wet your whistle a little bit, you know what I mean?
Yeah, baby.
You like that, right? Nobody else teaches you that stuff because they're all front running, they're all getting subscribers and putting them in with 50 picks, and no one's in the trenches really day trading and getting the nitty gritty down for the people that can have open access to online trading and do really, really well. That's Mojo. So guys, I got this. Visit my website, man, and become a member. With the member, you get the course. Awesome. There we go. Anybody else learn anything besides Ned? Anybody else besides Ned like that or not? Really, boo? All right. All right. You better learn that. Better learn that. You ain't gonna win if you don't. Gotta learn that systematic escalation. Systematic escalation. That's what I call. And that ain't a dirty word. No, 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 no. That ain't no dirty word. All right, what else we got? That robot was really cool, wasn't it? Yeah, I know. Does your entry calculator risk to reward 2 to 1? I'd never do a 2 to 1 trade. 5 to 1 minimum. But that's okay. Yeah, change it to be 5 to 1 now. Much better. I don't look for trades for 2 to 1. Risk allocation, buffer per share, number of shares per session, account balance, trade direction up to order entry per one, account calculated details in dollars, 2,400, 116, boop bing, boop chang, beep boop. Too much information, man. Too much information. Yeah, but you got you put it in down there at the bottom, and then it changes all the numbers. Gotcha. Target entry 126, and then it does 160. That's a 10 point. Nah, you're doing a $15 stop loss. Oh my gosh, that's terrible, dude. I buy at 126. I'm out at 121, rebuying 107 to 11 stopping station where your stop loss is. Then I buy there. It goes right back up to 115, 116 where I sell, and I got a trap between 107.11 and 116, and it never sees 126 ever again. That's how I trade. Follow? Bet ass somebody. Yep. Your chart's way off, dude. First of all, it needs to be 5 to 1. It needs to be a target entry of 126 with a point stop loss, not a percentage. You ain't going down to 116 and 111. You're stop lossing at 123, looking to touch you 118 back to 126, or if it fails 118, down to stopping station 107 to 12. Better ask somebody. Better watch them courses. You're going to get like 70 aha moments. You're going to be like, damn, I should have found that thing, this course a long time ago. Boy, oh boy. Anya, it's that cat.
So you're saying I can ask this cat any question?
The cat is connected to the computer. You just type in the question. It will read his mind. Here the answer comes.
You're the man! I've been looking for this for weeks.
Awesome. Awesome. So we got some stocks right here that are just really nice. They Raptor just came up. Rap Therapeutics, 26 beans. BCRX, AQST. BCRX is doing good. Just went from 250 to 264 on 2.6 million. Amazing. Great stuff, man. Great stuff. Yeah, so these new slides are for my new class, man. Hope you're going to enjoy that. My new class is going to be so unbelievable. It's really going to help every trader get off the schneid. And if you're on the schneid, it'll get you off. If you're not on the schneid, it's going to help you from getting on the schneid. And it's just a schneid reliever. How's that you spell that? A schneid. Getting off the schneid. Schneid relief. Call it schneid relief. Is that even a word? Hashtag schneid. Getting off the schneid. See if there's a Giphy for that. Is there something? Getting off the schneid. Not even a word. Yeah, pooping. Oh, she's pooping. Getting off the schneid. Yeah, they got it on there. I guess it's one of them pool farts. Right? Yeah, absolutely. Subscribe to the Mojo channel, man. So when I go live, you get notified, man. You don't want to miss these shows. Follow me on YouTube too, man. I got that holiday promo, guys. You see it above. Holiday promo, boys. 30% off all memberships. Come on now. Santa be delivering you the exponentials, man. 30% off. You got it. You got it. The holiday special, man. Can't miss it. Right there on the tree. 30% off. You missing that. There you go. Mojo Day Trading. Picks by the Pro Trader Mike. Oh, Mojo Swing Trading too. Picks by the Pro Trader Mike. Ooh, Mojo University too. Wow. 30% off. Wow, that's awesome, dude. You can be a killer in the market because we want you, man. Don't get killed, man. Join the Mojo team, guys. Dude, I saw this unbelievable movie and I watched it in Spanish because it was so unbelievable. The action, they didn't talk for like 10 minutes. And when I was like glued to the set. And when they finally talked, it was in Spanish. And I'm like, no way. And I watched the entire show in Spanish. And it was awesome, dude. I understood everything, dude. The main character barely talked. Does anyone know what the movie is? Anybody guesses? I'll give something out. I'll give a something special. And funny, I'll give you some hit tips. I'll give you a couple of hints. You ready? I saw a movie on him the other day. So I saw a movie on him the other day, and then I saw him again last night, and it's Leonardo DiCaprio was in both movies as the main actor. Leonardo DiCaprio, the main actor. Dude, it was an incredible movie in Spanish. I don't even know if I can spell it. Nah. Close. Come on now, you can guess. Come on, you want me to show it to you on the show? I'll show it to you. Absolutely. Right here, let me add it. It didn't work. Let me check it out. Hold on. Look at my holiday tree again. Look at this one. Let me find it again. Hold on. Here it is. Play trailer on YouTube. Copy. 20th Century Fox. You got it, bud. That was the movie. The Revenant. You got it. That was the movie. It's unbelievable, dude. I watched it in Spanish. I watched it in Spanish. It was brutal, dude.
the safe thing to do is track a new course back up on.
Then what we're going to do? Sit out there like a bunch of you have free son. Get a walk on out. I'm talking to you.
Proper thing to do, finish him off quick.
He should be cared for as long as necessary.
We did what we had to do.
Dudes, that's a badass movie. I watched it in Spanish, dude. It was so badass. That action, and you could tell the whole story of what's going on throughout the whole movie, dude. It's so cool. So cool. So yeah, that's a good movie. Check out JB O'Neill on that channel. Mojo's done for the day, folks. We're going to come back tomorrow and hit it for Tuesday, because Monday's been fantastic. So go take the afternoon off. We'll come back on Tuesday. We'll see what's moving and shaking on Tuesday. I'm sure we're going to hit the biggest winner of the day for Tuesday, just like we did Jan this morning. Jan, and the Jan. Let's take another look at that great run. Wow. It came down pretty much from that top. Very nice, but now it's sideways. And at what time is it? 1:15. It should go higher now. Let's see at the beginning too. Oh, I don't have the volume bars. All right. Well, very good. Guys, go watch the Mojo University courses. Thanks again. Go to lunch. Peace. Keep it profitable. I'll see you on the next Mojo show. Thanks for watching and thanking for liking my videos, boys. I got it going on. Little Bitcoin too.